In this video, we're getting real about window flange install. Like, do you actually nail every hole or nah? And what's the smartest way to make sure your windows stay tight and dry without overdoing it? So here's the deal. When you're installing a window flange, you don't necessarily have to hammer nails into every single hole. That's kinda old school and can even cause issues down the line if you're not careful. What I'm saying is, focus on nailing at the corners and then evenly spaced along the edges, maybe every 6 to 8 inches, to keep that flange secure but not stressed. If you hammer in every hole, you risk warping the flange or the window frame itself, which can lead to leaks or drafts. Definitely not what you want. Also, always use corrosion-resistant nails or screws designed for exterior use because moisture's gonna be there, no doubt. Make sure you're pressing the flange flat against the wall sheathing before nailing, so there's no gaps for water to sneak in. And oh, don't forget to overlap your house wrap or flashing tape over the flange properly to create that waterproof barrier. If you don't have a nail gun, take your time with a hammer and be gentle. Not too much force needed. Lastly, check the manufacturer's instructions because some windows have specific requirements for nailing patterns or fastener types, and following those rules will save you headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with window flange install is hammering nails in every hole like it's some kind of checklist, which can actually mess up the seal and cause leaks or frame damage. Just stick to a strategic pattern instead. Another common goof is skipping corrosion-resistant fasteners. Trust me, regular nails will rust and weaken your install over time. And the third thing I see all the time? Not overlapping your house wrap or flashing tape over the flange correctly, which lets water sneak behind your walls. Make sure that layering is tight and sealed. If you're looking to get this done right without pulling your hair out, bighomeprojects.com is where homeowners link up with trusted, local contractors who know their stuff on window installs and more. Contractors can also find steady work there, so it's a solid spot for both sides of the project game.